be showing you guys how to do an easy everyday makeup tutorial. And I wanted to show you guys how to do this makeup tutorial just so I can show people who are first starting out to use makeup and the basics of how to start your everyday makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna right into the video and let's get started. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera already, and I personally decided to do that myself, but you don't have to do your eyebrows because you can just apply gel to it, and that's an alternative. So I'm using these two foundations. I'm gonna mix it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna use a smaller brush at the end of the tip. I'm just gonna use it to mix it, and then I'll just apply it on my face. Alright, so I already applied the Milani concealer and Perfect 2-in-1. I just used like a pump, and then I'm going to use one pump of the L'Oreal True Match. Taking a small brush, the back of the brush, I'm just going to be mixing it like this. Alright, and I'm going to be taking the foundation on the back of my hand and just dabbing it onto my face. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be dabbing it. You're not going to be wiping it on your face like you would with a brush. So I'm just going to be dabbing it all over my face where I need to, and then just blend in the foundation. Alright, and then next you're going to be actually blending the foundation down to your neck, just because that you don't want to have like your face looking like a different color compared to your face. So after you're done with foundation, you're going to move on to concealer. I'm going to do the same exact thing, putting the concealer on the back of my hand and just taking a small flat brush and just applying it across the areas that are needed. So as you guys can tell, I applied only a pea amount on my hand, and I'm just taking a flat brush and just applying it to my dark circles, my imperfections, and highlighting my face. Making a triangle down your face, on your forehead, the bridge of your nose. To contour, I'm actually going to be taking Profusion's contour in the shade medium, taking these dark brown shades, or the shades. I'm just going to be actually mixing all of them together, but only doing a little bit of the darkest brown. So you're just going to follow the hollow parts of your cheek. You don't want to start off with a harsh hand, so you just want to lightly feather it onto your face with the hollows. What I do to actually help me contour my face is follow the line so of the top of my ear, and just use my brush, and you can see the diagonal, and it's just kind of like a starter outline for you. And you're just going to gradually build up your contour on the side, and you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side of your face. And then now I'm moving on to the temples of my forehead. I'm just going to be taking a little bit and just actually getting on the corners of your forehead, just so it can make an illusion of your forehead. This is what you call like bronzer and contouring. Alright, and then next we're going to be moving on to blush. Any kind of fluffy brush or angle brush if you want, and just apply blush normally. I'm just applying it to the apples of my cheeks. Onto highlighter next. So highlighter is my favorite part of the look. A very round brush, just like this. I'm actually going to be spritzing it. It enhances the highlighter more. And I like to add a little bit on the temples of my forehead too. Taking a small pencil brush. A pencil brush is something that is like super duper tiny, and I'm just going to be using that to highlight my nose. Now we're going to be moving on to the eyelashes. I'm actually going to be using 3 different kind of mascaras for my eyelashes. Lastly, I have to finish highlighting. So you weren't finished with highlighting yet because you have to highlight your brow bone and your inner corners. And then last but not least, we're going to go on to the lips. This is the final look. This look was super duper easy, and I hope that you guys learned things from it. I know it was super duper quick because that was the point of the video, because this makeup look is supposed to only take you about 15 minutes, and if you are late, maybe 10. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and this is the total final look, and I'll see you guys next time.